Here we are at Parrot Jungle. And Parrot Jungle wants to welcome you, or me, or somebody. And this is why they call it Parrot Jungle. There's a few parrots here. Pretty cool, huh? And I think they love each other. That's George. They call him Gorgeous George. And Tiffany loves Bob. Aren't they cute? Okay, where do you want to go now? Let's check out the Serpentarium next. Did I say that right? Serpentarium next. That's his son, Conure. He's looking at me like I'm crazy. Now he's talking to me. This is a cool looking parrot. I've never seen him in that kind of color blue before. That's pretty cool. I like that. Looks like a sweetie pie. They have so many different waterfalls here. It's really pretty. It's very mellow here at Parrot Jungle in Miami. It's a nice place. This is the new Parrot Jungle. The old one was just absolutely gorgeous. The trees were enormous. It's a blue and red macaw. Gorgeous bird. They live longer than we do. And this is lover number A and lover number B. Oh, how cute. Aren't they adorable? Alright guys, kiss and make up. Oh, thanks a lot. I appreciate that. This is known what's called the Beretta bird, or the cockatoo. Not cockatiel, but cockatoo. Gorgeous bird. Two more lovers. Beautiful colors. Incredible what Mother Nature does. Can't believe it. Gorgeous. And another Beretta bird. It's pretty noisy. Pretty cool. Go on, talk for everybody. Say hello to everybody. Come on. Thank you. All right, say bye now. Say bye. Thank you. This is called a thick-billed parrot. Why it's a thick-billed parrot, I don't know. But it's a beautiful bird, though. It's biting its nails. It should learn. Beautiful, huh? I think we have a fight on our hands here with these two guys. Watch this. Check it out. Check it out. All right, kiss and make up. Go on. There you go. Boy, that's real French kissing there, I think, isn't it? And back up to his perch. Beautiful. Whoa. This is a real lover here, huh? All right. Catch you guys later. Aww. Check this guy out. He's an orangutan. I'll give anybody $5 that can spell it right the first time. $5. Those guys are so strong, but really cool looking creatures. part of the skyline of Miami. It's gorgeous. I live in a beautiful city, I'll tell you. I must admit. Albino alligator, is that a freak of nature? Well, let's go ahead and take a look at it and you tell me. It's an awesome, beautiful creature, but I'll tell you, he can be really dangerous. How beautiful he is, though. It's a wild creature. You know, one out of many millions come out albino. What do they want from my life? Big mouth. What do you guys want? Huh? What? What, silly? What? What? Rang? Don't go through that fence and pinch me, guy. Wow, check this guy out. He is enormous. He's got to be at least 20 feet in size. Look at that creature. My goodness gracious. I hate to be caught in his jaws, I'll tell you. That mouth has got to be at least 3 feet long, easily. Look at those scales. Pretty cool, huh? Let's call it carpet python. Gorgeous. Really nice. And this is a bull snake. Snakes are kind of scary creatures, aren't they? And this, an Everglades rat snake. Beautiful. Uh-oh, he's looking at me. I'm in trouble now. It's a yellow anaconda. I think he's scared of me. I tell you, they have really sharp teeth. I used to own a pet shop. I got bit by an anaconda, and wow, did it hurt. Really, really sharp teeth. They get big.
Okay. Watch out, there's a llama.
Uh-oh. Okay, silly Yogi, look here. Come on. Oh, and these guys are really mellow with this. He's pretty cool guy. Oh, everybody else. I see you every day. I don't love you. Very strong.
Snack time. I wonder what they're eating. Show you. Zoom in. Take a peek. Move your hands. Oh, it looks bright. Roast meat sandwiches, I think. I feel like a voyeur or something. Well, I guess in a way I am. If I'm into photography. Beautiful looking lady. And you'll see in a moment why I'm taking her picture, please. Hi down there. Give me a nice smile. There you go, very pretty.
Thank you.
Hey, we're at the Black Heritage Museum, and Nana, also called Queen Mother, will be showing us around. I hope you enjoy it.
This is my coffin. I have it specially made in Ghana. Ghana is notorious for fantasy coffins, but this is for ashes. So this is the first time in history that they've ever done it. In 1994, National Geographic did an article on Ghana and their fantasy coffin.
I hope you don't have to use it for 100 years.
Oh, thank you. So they make them, this is the way they usually make them. This is the first time it's ever been done for ashes.
Right.
It's always done for bodies. And they bury them. There's a fish. And you have an airplane and a boat and a
different
crab.
types of caskets?
Whatever the person, yes.
I see.
Whatever the family requests.
Do they have a camera one too? For
Oh,
me?
yes, they absolutely, no, they do. In fact, let's see if it's in here. But I can ask them to bring it if you're interested.
Oh no, I'm just joking. That's real interesting.
Royal helmet. It's worn only when they had something to do with the king, and it's from the Congo. It's called a royal helmet. The tribe is called Kuba.
That's not an old one, is it? It's just
Yes,
kind
it
of
is.
Is it really?
Yeah,
How old
it's from
is
a
it?
collection from the 40s.
Really? That's pretty neat.
Yeah.
It's
You don't
beautiful.
find things like this reproduced.
How long is this exhibit going to be here?
It's an indefinite exhibit.
Oh, good.
These are terracottas from Nigeria. They are between 1,000 and 3,000 years old.
These themselves are that old?
Yes, they are.
Oh my goodness gracious! Is that why they're encased in acrylic?
Oh, of course. Yes. Nigeria. But the theme of this exhibit is on Ghana. Be careful. Because Ghana is celebrating its 50th anniversary next month on the 6th of March.
It's not Guyana, it's Ghana.
It's Ghana.
All right.
Yes, Guyana is in South America.
Right.
The Ghana flag. The red is for love and the struggle. The yellow or the gold is for the wealth. The black is for the faces of the people. The green is for the land and hope. That's
nice. It has a nice meaning to it.
This dress is worn by men, and it's from Nigeria. It's a kind of typical dress. It's kind of dressed up. Normally they wear just ordinary cotton.
Well, I haven't worn a dress in a long time, quite honestly. I think I'll...
Yeah. This is from Nigeria.
It's nice though, nice colors.
This is from Ghana. It's a Muslim chief from the northern part of Ghana. It's very old.
The workmanship is incredible. How long does it take them to make something like that?
Well, not long, because the profession is handed down from generation to generation. So it's not, so it doesn't take long. But this is a very old piece. In fact, all of the pieces in this collection are old. Most of the pieces in it. It's from Nigeria. It's very old. It's over 100 years old. Very old.
And it was turning nearly into what?
To paper. I mean, look at the wood.
Oh yeah.
It's all petrified.
How old is it? Do you know?
Over 100 years old.
Oh my goodness gracious.
You see, it's just falling apart. The royal blue.
That's beautiful. I can use that at nighttime to cover up with. Yeah, absolutely. So,
thank you very much for coming to the Black Heritage Museum. And we would like to invite you back to show what you've filmed to an audience. And you talk about your work. I am Mrs. Krause, but I'm called Nana because I'm a queen mother from Ghana. So if you may call me Nana. I'm the owner and the president of the Black Heritage Museum. We are 20 years old this year. We've been in Miami for 20 years.
Lots more koi. Hear that old joke, don't be coy with me? Bad news, I'm sorry guys. Yeah, these are put in Japanese gardens actually. And actually, American Gardens too. I should put a flamingo song to it, like Malagueña. Da 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 da. Oh, that's bad news. Sorry.
Hello.
Yeah, what else?
How are you?
How are you? How are you? Hello?
Sunny.
Hello?
Buddy.
Hello? Say it again. What? Albino cockatiels again, a parrot bird, in case you guys forgot. Hi guys, what are you doing? What are you doing? Don't hide there. Don't hide. Welcome to Parrot Jungle. That's where we're going today. A lot of beautiful birds there, reptiles. You'll see. You'll have a good time just like I did. And I didn't even know it. It's called Parrot Jungle Island. So, here we go. Just to give you an idea, there's construction all over Miami. Especially Miami Beach, especially downtown Miami. It's amazing. It's construction, construction, and more construction. This is a bad view too. You should see what's going on downtown. I should take you there and show you myself.